Halifax Chebucto. Halifax Chebucto is a provincial electoral district in Nova Scotia, Canada, that elects one member of the Nova Scotia House of Assembly. It is one of several ridings within the Halifax Regional Municipality. It encompasses the neighbourhood known informally as the West End. The economy consists mostly of military employment from CFB Halifax, the Queen Elizabeth Roman II Health Sciences Centre, as well as retail stores on Quinpool Road. The riding is one of the few in the province to have a long history of New Democratic Party NDP representation. It's been represented by an NDP member of the Legislative Assembly MLA for all but 2 terms since 1981. In the 2013 election, the Liberal candidate, Joachim Stroink, was elected to represent the riding in the House of Assembly during the collapse of the NDP province-wide. However, the 2017 election saw the new leader of the NDP Gary Burrill elected, defeating Stroink after only 1 term. The riding has produced 2 provincial NDP leaders, Alexa McDonough, who would go on to lead the federal NDP, and Burrill. Members of the Legislative Assembly. This riding has elected the following MLA. Geography. The land area of Halifax Chebucto is 4.0 km to 1.54 sq mi, with a population of 18,939 people as of 2016. The population density was approximately 4,734.8 km to 12,262.9 sq mi. Election results. 2021 General Election. 2017 General Election. 2013 General Election. 2009 General Election. 2006 General Election. 2003 General Election. 1999 General Election.